In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable and remove Google Chrome notifications step by step so you can stop those annoying pop-ups once and for all. Chrome notifications usually come from websites that were allowed to send alerts, and if you've been getting too many of them, this guide will help you clean everything up quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where the notification settings are managed, so make sure you're in Chrome before moving to the next step. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section includes the controls for what websites are allowed to do in your browser. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome stores permissions for things like location, camera, microphone, and notifications. Now scroll down until you find Notifications, then click it. This is the area where Chrome manages notification permissions for websites. Here, you'll see the notification options and a list of sites that are either allowed or blocked. To completely stop Chrome notifications, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will prevent websites from sending pop-up alerts through Chrome. If you already have websites listed under Allow to send notifications, you'll want to remove the ones you don't need anymore. Find the website you want to stop, click the three dots next to it, and then choose Remove or Block. Removing it deletes the permission, while blocking makes sure it can't send notifications again. Go through the list and clean up any websites you no longer trust or use. This is especially useful if you accidentally clicked Allow on a site and started getting constant alerts, or if you want a cleaner and quieter browsing experience. Once you've disabled notifications and removed the unwanted websites, Chrome will stop showing those annoying pop-ups from those sites, and that's it. You've successfully disabled and removed Google Chrome notifications. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.